If you are looking for free textures, you are in the right place. I want to talk about Blender Get Add-On. It is not new, but I found it recently. This add-on is a time saver because it allows you to download 3D models, materials, and alpha brushes to your Blender. It has a paid version and a free version. The free version is still good, especially for architecture scenes. It has a lot of free textures. First, what you have to do to get this free assets library, you need to register on this website to get the API key. It allows you to download assets to your Blender. When you finish the registration, it's time to install the add-on. So go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and type Git. I have got it already. There is a field for inserting your API token. I'm already logged in. Now we can close this tab. So if you press N key on the keyboard, you can see Blender Get Add-on is here. There are a lot of textures here. For example, this dirt tab has a lot of great looking textures for free. To apply the textures is so easy. Just drag and drop on any object you want. You have wait until it downloads. The green bar shows progress, or in this place you can see how much time left to download. If you go to viewport shading mode, you're gonna see that all nodes are connected correctly, and you don't need to waste your time to set up nodes chain. That's it. We have this texture on this cube. Very fast and simple. If you want, you are able to adjust some settings or update nodes depending on the scene. For example, let's add another texture. When it is downloading, I can browse in the library. It has a lot of amazing textures. Another asset type is 3D models. If you check this, you only will see the 3D models. It has not so huge library as the previous asset, but still it has a pretty good assets library. By dragging downwards or upwards, you can reduce the size of objects. To add more complex objects takes more time. Mostly depends on your internet and hardware speed. You can see shaders compilation at the bottom. It has a huge furniture library. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.